On the list of exclusive resorts that can galvanize your energy levels and help you draw inspiration and creativity from your travels, this one is a bit different. Nishiyama Onsen Keiunkan is a 5-star ryokan, or a kind of ancient Japanese inn based at the foot of a mountain. As you may very well know, any Japanese business prides itself on attention to details, warmth, and good reception. And that is exactly what you're going to find here. The history of the Keiunkan Inn dates back 1300 years, 705 AD, when it was founded by Fujiwara Mahito. With only 37 traditionally decorated rooms, this superb getaway offers an unparalleled experience to complement its great story. Rooms benefit from all the amenities you would expect from a 5-star resort, and the use of the hot spring water is continuously channeled and collected for centuries, only add to its relaxation portfolio. If you want to get away from the world and find your inner peace in an unusual and fascinating location, there is no better place than this secluded resort that has stood for 52 generations. On the list of exclusive places to go, this is one of the best you will ever visit. Spending a relaxing holiday to an exclusive resort should be a thing all iconic men aspire to.